A very good morning to my dear students of class 8. Today we will discuss causes of the rise of nationalism from chapter 12. And our first point is impact of the revolt of 1857. So, in spite of the failure, the revolt of 1857 shook the very foundation of British domination in India. It had become a source of inspiration for thousands of people and would serve as an eye-opener for the new generation of Indians. Our next point is Western education and modern ideas. So, the British, for their own benefit, had introduced Western education in India. They wanted to create a class of loyal clerks that would serve them and anglicized buyers of British goods. As a result of Western education, the Indians came in contact with Western culture, Western sciences, and Western concepts of nationalism, democracy, and humanism. Modern ideas transformed the old traditional outlook of the Indians. The new educated Indians learned about the successful movements for freedom and unification of other countries. They now saw with great clarity the evil effects of British rule, and they dreamed of a modern, united, prosperous, and strong India. Next point is the English language. The English language acted as a link between the educated Indians from various parts of the country. It became the common medium of communication. The educated Indians from different provinces and linguistic regions of the country felt the unity among themselves. They now started expressing their views and exchanged ideas among themselves in English. The English language fostered a sense of oneness and understanding of their Indian identity. Next point is common code of law and administrative unity. Before the establishment of British rule, India was divided into numerous states under the rule of a different administrative system. There was a lack of national unity and identity among the people of India. After the advent of the British, they introduced a uniform and modern system of government throughout the British provinces. They applied the common code of law that the people from different provinces and from different communities and castes had to follow. So the people of India gradually realized that they all belonged to the same country and shared a common national identity as Indians. Our next point is modern transport and communication system. Social mobility and interaction increased in India after the introduction of a new network of roads, railways, and the post and telegraph system by the British. Caste barriers now broke down. People from different parts of the country grew closer to each other. They now realized that they shared common problems, common aspirations, and common goals. They belonged to one nation.